Hello friends, good evening. In this video, we are going to discuss current affairs of June 5, 6, 7 and 8, 2021. Top 15 questions with answers. Questions can be asked in all upcoming competitive exams. First question. What was the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Answer. Ecosystem restoration. The theme of World Environment Day this year is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, and its focal point is ecosystem restoration. Ecosystem restoration means preventing, halting, and reversing this damage to go from exploiting nature to healing it, according to UN. Second question. Who has won the prestigious International Booker Prize 2021? Answer. David Diop. French writer David Diop won the International Booker Prize 2021 for his book At Night All Blood is Black, which is translated into English by Anna Moskowitz. At Night All Blood is Black is a harrowing yet poetic story of friendship, colonialism, and terrors of war. International Booker Prize. French writer David Diop has won International Booker Prize 2021 for his book At Night All Blood is Black. 2021 winners David Diop and Anna Moskowitz. 2020 winners Marky Lucas Regneveld and Michael Hutchinson. 2019 winners Marilyn Booth and Joka Halaharthi. Third question. Who has been appointed as the new educator advisor of World Bank? Answer. Ranjit Singh Desai. Ranjit Singh Desai, a school teacher from Maharashtra who received the Global Teacher Prize in 2020, has been named World Bank Education Advisor for the period June 2021 to June 2024. Current affairs appointments. Italy has for the first time appointed a woman career diplomat, Elisabetta Belloni, to head country's secret services, Prime Minister Mario Draghi announced Wednesday. Second point, the BRO India on April 28, 2021 announced that Vaisali S. Eves will become first woman officer to be appointed as officer commanding in Border Roads Organization India. Third point, Wipro has appointed Tulsi Naidu, Chief Executive Officer, Asia Pacific Zurich Insurance Group, as an independent director on the board for 5 years with effect from July 1. Fourth point, retired bureaucrat Neelam Sone assumed the office of Andhra Pradesh State Election Commission recently. World Bank. The World Bank is an international financial institution that provides loans and grant to the government of low and middle income countries for the purpose of pursuing capital projects. Its president is David Malpass. Headquarters Washington DC, United States. Parent organization World Bank Group, founded on July 1944. Bretton Woods, New Hemisphere, United States. Fourth question. Which city will become India's first electric vehicle city? Answer. Kevadia. The announcement comes a day after Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that Kevadia, which houses the world's tallest statue of unity, will become the country's first electric vehicle city. Fifth question. Which country has hosted the 2021 World Environment Day? Answer. Pakistan. Pakistan, in collaboration with UN Environment Programme, will be the global host for the day to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. Next question. When is World Safety Day observed on every year? Answer: June 7th. World Food Safety Day has a crucial role in assuring and educating people about food production, how it can stay safe at every stage of the food chain, and highlighting other things like food processing, storage, and production. Next question: when is World Food Safety Day observed on every year? Answer: June 7th. World Food Safety Day has a crucial role in assuring and educating people about food production, how it can stay safe at every stage of food chain, and highlighting other things like food processing, storage, and production. Seventh question: who has been appointed as the new CEO of HSBC India? Answer: Hitendra Dev. Foreign lender HSBC on Monday announced the appointment of bank veteran Hitendra Dev as its new chief executive for India. Dev, who had been heading the large profit contributing segment of global banking and markets, succeeds Surendra Rosha as per an official statement. HSBC Bank. HSBC Holding PLC is a British multinational investment bank and financial services holding company. It is the second largest bank in Europe with total assets of US 2.984 trillion. Headquarters London, United Kingdom. CEO Noel Quinn. Revenue 5042.9 crores. Founder Thomas Sutherland. Eighth question: when is World Pest Day observed? Answer: June 8. Every year, World Pest Day, also sometimes called World Pest Awareness Day, is observed on June 6th June. Ninth question: which film has won the Best Film Award in National Film Awards 2021 on environmental conservation? Answer: Water Burial. Water Burial has won the Best Film Award on Environment Conservation at 67th National Film 2021. Inspired by popular Assamese novel Saba Kota Manu, which was written by Yeshe Dorji Tongchi, Water Burial is an in Monpa dialect and has intriguing storyline around a dark ritual of a local tribe in Arunachal Pradesh. National Film Award. The National Film Award is the most prominent film award ceremony in India. Established in 1954, it has been administered along with International Film Festival of India and Indian Panorama by Indian Government Directorate of Film Festivals since 1973. Last awarded on 22nd March 2021, first awarded 10 October 1954, presented by Directorate of Film Festivals, location on Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi, hosted by New Delhi. When is World Ocean Days observed in every year? Answer: June 8th. The purpose of this day is to inform and educate public about impact of human actions on oceans, develop a worldwide movement of citizens and mobilize and unite the world's population on a project for the sustainable management of world's ocean, it added. 11th question: who will be the next chairman of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board PNGRB? Answer: Sanjeev Sahai. Senior Administrator and former Power Secretary Sanjeev Nandan Sahai is set to take over the next chairman of Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board. A search committee headed by V.K. Swarast, member Niti Ayog, cleared the name of Sahai Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board in statutory board in India. 12th question. What is the theme of World Ocean Day 2021? Answer: the ocean, life and livelihoods. With a pledge to preserve the oceans, this year World Ocean Day is based on the theme the ocean, life and livelihoods, led by United Nations this year. To aim is to carry out sustainable efforts and work towards putting a stop on plastic pollutions in oceans. Days and themes 2021 May. 1st May 2021 International Workers' Day or Labor Day and Maharashtra Day. 2nd May World Laugher Day and World Tuna Day. 3rd May World Press Freedom Day. Theme is information as a public good. 4th May International Firefighters Day and Coal Miners Day. World Asthma Day. Theme uncovering asthma misconceptions. 5th May World Hand Hygiene Day. Theme seconds save life, clean your hand. And International Day of Midwife. Theme follow the data, invest in midwife. 6th May International No Diet Day. 7th May 61st Racing Day of BRO. 7th May World Athletics Day. 8th May World Red Cross Day and Red Crescent Day and World Thalassemia Day. Theme of World Red Cross Day is Unstoppable and Thalassemia Day is addressing health inequalities across the global thalassemia community. 8th May World Migratory Bird Day. 8th May to 9th May 2021 Time of Remembrance and Recollections for those who lost their lives during Second World War. 11th May National Technology Day. 12th May International Nurses Day. Theme Nurses, a voice to lead a vision for future healthcare. 15th May International Day of Families. Theme Families and New Technologies. 16th May International Day of Living Together in Peace and National Dengue Day and also International Day of Light. Theme is Trust Science. 17th May 2021 World Hypertension Day. Theme is Measure your blood pressure accurately, control it, live longer. 17th May 2021 World Telecommunication Day and Information Society Day. Theme Accelerating Digital Transformation in Challenging Times. 17th May to 23 May 6th UN Global Road Safety Week. Theme Street for Life. 18th May International Museum Day. Theme The Future of Museum Recover and Reimagine. And World AIDS Day. World AIDS Vaccine Day. 28th May World Bee Day. Theme Be Engaged, Build Back Better for Bees. 20th May World Meteorology Day. Theme Measurement for Health. 21st May National Anti-Terrorism Day, International Tea Day, World Day for Cultural Diversity for Dialogue and Development. 22nd May International Day for Biological Diversity. Theme: We are the part of solution. 23rd May, World Turtle Day. Theme: Turtle Rocks. 23rd May 2021, International Day to End Obstetric Fistula. Theme: Women's Rights are Human Rights. End Fistula now. 25th May, International Missing Child. 25th May 2021, International Missing Children's Day and World Thyroid Day. 25th May to 31st May, UN's International Week of Solidarity with Peoples of Non-Self-Governing Territories. 26th May, Vesak Day. 28th May, World Hunger Day. 28th May, International Day of Action for Women's Health or International Women's Health Day. 29th May, International Day of United Nations Peacekeepers. Theme: The Road to a Lasting Peace, Leveraging the Power of Youth for Peace and Security. 29th May, International Everest Day and World Digestive Health Day. Theme: Obesity, an ongoing pandemic. 31st May, World No Tobacco Day. Theme: Commit to Quit. 13th question. Which country is going to host FIH Hockey 5 World Cup in 2024? Answer: Oman. The FIH said the men's and women's events will take place in Oman, capital city Muscat, in January 2024. The governing body said its executive boards named Oman as a host after recommendations from organization's events bidding task force. Next question. Which bank has approved a USD 500 million program to boost India's MSME sector? Answer: World Bank. The World Bank's Board of Executive Director has approved USD 500 million program to support India's nationwide initiative to rehabilitate the MSME sector, which has been heavily impacted by COVID-19 crisis. 15th question. Which reserve forest has become the 6th national park of Assam, which was announced recently? Answer: Raimona. Raimona Reserve Forest in Lower Assam became the state's 6th national park on Saturday. Spread over 422 square kilometer in Kokrajhar district, Raimona National Park straddles the northern part of the notified Raipur Reserve Forest, which forms the westernmost buffer to the Manas Tiger Reserve. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.